I had these Lego floating shelves, so they were gifted to me from the brand. Let's open up and see what's in it. These are from Bliss Box. There are 6 pieces. Okay, so once we open it up, we see the wall anchors and some nails. Oh, it's got a little level that came with it. That's really nice to help make sure that it's level when you get it on the wall. Okay, I like that they included wall anchors here because you never know what kind of surface you're going to be working with when it comes to walls. So it's good to have these to make sure that they are snug on the wall. So here's Bliss Box. Nice packaging. Okay, so here are the install instructions. That's great. It says great for various walls: drywall, concrete wall, wallpaper, wooden wall, and brick wall. And there's even a QR code for an installation video. I really like how these are easy instructions. These are 4 steps to install these into the wall. That's great. And it comes with a lifetime warranty too. That's nice. Okay, here we go. Here are the actual shelves. When I feel this is quality. I love the smell of new Lego stuff. I know I'm weird. Okay, so it comes with the white one. I got the white set and it comes with 6, I believe. 3, 4, yep, 5 and 6. Okay. So here we go, 6 shelves. This is what they look like. This is the regular size of the Legos. This is quality. This is not going to break. I like that because my son is kind of rough and tumble. And once these get up on the wall, he's probably going to be throwing balls at it and Nerf guns and stuff. And these will not break. So that's really nice. It comes with 6 of these. And so here's what I like about these. Okay, these are good for the tiny little Legos. So I have like a little tiny one right here. And if you can put it on there. So that's what it looks like. And then also, here's like a bigger one, which you would probably need 2 of them for, which actually one kind of sits on there. They're nice, but okay, but here's what I like is I like that it came with 6 of these and you can actually put them in all kinds of shapes. Like, look at this. If you have a long train, you could just put them all together in a long train. If you have something small like that, if you have a bunch of small Legos, then you could stagger it on the wall like this. You could even do 2 of them. Because 6 of them came, so you could take this and you could do 2, 2, 2, 4, and then 6 on a wall. That would look nice. There's all kinds of ways that you could arrange these, and that's really nice because you never know what Legos creations, my son is going to build, so he can accommodate little things all the way to big things. So I like knowing that these are going to be sturdy on the wall. That is great. And these are going to last a good long time. I can just tell by the quality that when it's time for Jackson to change out Legos and he goes to pull this off the wall or like pull the Lego off of this and then put another one on, this is going to stay anchored there. So that's nice. Yeah, if you were to take this in your hands and feel it, this is quality stuff. This is not like flimsy, this is good quality. Yeah, I'm impressed. I am impressed. So easy instructions. You have good wall anchors right here. Good quality material. Your son is going to have a great time building it. I know my son is, so highly recommend. I'm impressed.